Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will exactly show you step by step how to use Motions, the AI powered productivity app for project management. I will cover creating tasks, organizing projects, scheduling your day automatically, and tips to get more out of Motions. So without any further ado, let's dive in. So here you can see we are already in our Motion platform. This is the interface you will get when you will visit in Motions. So first of all, you just need to be understand actually what is Motions. So if you are new to it, Motion is an AI driven task manager, calendars and project management tool all in one. It automatically schedules tasks for you, so you never miss deadlines and always know what to focus on next. I hope you understand this one brief description. So now we are going to do the next step, that is we just need to be create an account over that place, and then we just need to be set up it. So first of all, you just need to visit on usemotion.com. This is the platform. So let's remove this rest of thing from that place, and now even actually you can see this is the platform. So you can start a free trial with no credit card needed. So you just need to click over here. Here you can see start your free trial, cancel in one click. Just click over here, and then you just need to be select your things, like it could be just me, or it could be between 2 and 14 members or 15, whatever you want to choose it, and then just click to the continue. Once you click over here, then they will give us the options to create an account. So here you can paste your mail address, or you can go with these options also. So I will go with sign up with Google. It is the easiest way. So I am going to click this button. Once I click over here, then they will give us the options to select our mail address. Just select this one, then I will just click to the continue. Once I click over here, then it will take a while, and then it will prepare our Motions platform. So as you can see how easy the process was. So here you can see it, that Pro AI, then 7-day trial, 1 month paid trial, then couple of things we have. So I will click on try Motion Pro AI for free, and then I just need to be fill up my credit card number, expiration date, CVC and this country. Then you just need to be click over here start free trial for you. And this Motion Pro AI includes this kind of a feature. As you can see, AI task planner, AI project manager, AI calendar and scheduling, AI meeting and notebook, then AI docs, notes, AI writer and editor. Then also you can see unlimited AI uses, unlimited storage, and also you will get apps for your Android, iOS and desktop apps. Then also you have this priority support. So it's really amazing. So you can go with this one, it is really good to go. So here you can see this is our account, and if you want to disconnect this one, you just need to click over here remove motion tags, and then it will be done. Then here you will have these billing options, then support and many more. If you click over here logout, it will be logout. So once inside, you just need to connect your calendar, Google or Outlook. So Motion can sync your meeting and tasks. So we are not allowed to go into the dashboard, because we just need to be give this address, as I already saw you that. Come back to this one, and here you just need to be click this one. Let's try to log in, because I already have an account. So it will take a while to prepare in the Motions, and here they are telling us to try Motion Pro AI for free. So we are not going to try this one, because when we will try, we just need to provide our card details, then we can go further. Let's talk about how you can create a new project in Motions. So here let's go and try to Motions interface. So here you will get these options for project. I'm trying to describe all the things to you guys, so you can get your work with this one. So let's open this image. So here you can see actually whole design. So here in this button add project, you can see in the right corner, as you can see in the top, then here we have two buttons called add task and add project. So if we want to create a new project, we just need to be click this add project options. Then they will ask you to give your project name. For example, it could be website redesign. Then you just need to be add description if you like, and choose start date and due date. You can also invite team members where here. Then you just need to click to the create project, and the thing will be done. Your project is completed. So you can add tasks to the project also. Here you can see this is the add task option. So inside your new project, like you already created a project and now you just want to add couple of tasks for on your work. So give each task a name. For example, it could be design home page, design product page, design about page. This kind of a task you just need to add. Then you are allowed to add a due date, estimate time and priority, and assign it to yourself or a team member. Keep adding tasks until your project is mapped out. Then we can do like let motion that auto schedule our tasks. It's the best part that motion AI will automatically find the best time slots for your tasks and fit them into your calendar. If something changes, motion reschedules your task for you. No more manual planning. Here you can see that we have these features. If I click over here, you will find out that motion reschedule. So you can do this kind of a thing. Then also you can manage your day with these motions. Like you just need to check the calendar view to see your meetings and tasks, and each the motion show exactly what work on it and how long it should take. So here let's search for this interface for calendar. Let's search it here, and actually here you will get this one. And here you can see it. So you can add your task over here also. If you don't finish a task, motion will automatically move it to a new time slot, so nothing falls through the crack. So it's really amazing. It will help you to give a productive life for you, and main thing, it will make you organize your work properly. So here you can see their interface. As you can see that how amazing the interface and how easy to understand this UI design is. So without like a beginner guide person can easily master on motions and can understand all the features, tools, whatever here they can do it. Then there is a look like you have like Kanban boards and many for here. You can see this is the Kanban board. Like what actually is Kanban? So let's go and Kanban, search for Kanban, and let's search it. And here actually you can see this is the Kanban design. Let's open this one, and here actually you can see it. You can also manage tasks visually using Kanban boards, like clipboard view, inside project, drag and drop tasks between columns like to do, in progress and done. This is great for tracking progress and keeping your team on the same pages. Then the great thing is team collaboration. So basically with motions you can assign tasks, add comments and get notification when something is updated. It keeps everyone aligned without endless back and forth emails. Then the next is motions AI scheduling tips. For the best result, set accurate estimate for each task. The more precise your time estimate are, the better motions AI can play your day realistically. You can also set working hours and focus time so Notion schedules tasks when you are most productive. Then let's talk about the mobile app. As you can see, we will get these iOS, Android and desktop apps. So Motion also has a mobile app, so you can check your task, reschedule or date, add new item on the go, stay organized whether you are at your desk or out and about. And I can say this is the wrap up of our video, and that's it. That's how you can use motions to manage project tasks and your entire schedule automatically. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and drop a comment if you would like a deep dive on advanced motion tips. Thanks for watching.